Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Olivia Rodrigo theme on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. And you need to update your Instagram application first. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open Instagram and log in into your account and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here, you need to select any conversation, click on the person name and click on theme. And from here, you simply need to select the first one, Olivia Rodrigo. And now you can see that this theme is activated here. You can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.